put a pillow on a fridge day. Apparently, it's an old tradition that for good luck, people used to put pillows in their larders, and therefore that would bring them good luck. Not many people have larders these days. Almost everyone has a fridge, so it's kind of been adapted. Not superstitious though. Just seemed like the easiest one to do today. You could, if you really want to celebrate this, and do a modern adaptation of it, because of course the equivalent of putting a pillow in a larder would be putting a pillow in a fridge. I don't have enough room in my fridge for a pillow. So I'm putting it on top. Let's see if it'll bring me any good luck. I doubt it. Not really sure how long I'm going to keep it there either.